So I look at horizontal scaling as the duplication of things that are working. I'm not changing budgets. The budgets is increasing by duplication. The other way of horizontally scaling is adding more offers, right? So imagine, instead of just adding more offers in one account, it's offer ones in this account, offer twos in this account, offer threes over there. And if I can get to the point where each offer is converting at 2K a day, I'm now spending 6K a day, right? So it's still horizontal because it's multiple accounts, budgets split amongst accounts versus vertical. But the whole goal is that you basically get this triangle effect, right? You have the horizontal and then everything increases, boom, everything starts to go up, and then naturally everything looks awesome, right? That's the goal. Everyone wants that. I want to spend 10K a day, make 40, right? I know a lot of people who are even spending 10K a day, making 15,000, and they're like, I'm still happy because the leads that are coming in, we got email and a variety of other things, right? So it's just a matter of what's your plan. But I like to do the horizontal method of duplication because I already know what budgets things work at. So at CBO, a lot of our ads do well between 200 to 300 is very consistent for us on a campaign budget level. 500 does work too, but it's not as consistent. Sometimes we've put 1,000 and it looks great for 2 days, and then in the third day it bombs and we've just killed all of our ROAS for 2 days. And by duplicating, we already know how it needs to act. And if we duplicate that same campaign 3 times and the audience is 5 million people, we're not overlapping. We're not. There's still tons of people in there for us to work with, right? So we look at these things, and that's how we're scaling. We do a lot of duplication. Some of the accounts we have, you'll see, it's like 4 campaigns of the control, and we've duplicated each of those over time 3 or 4 times. Next thing you know, we have 16 campaigns running at 300 a day. Do we have all the campaigns crash? It's usually something where it's like, I'll just use a simple number. Out of 10, 2 or 3 might crash on one day, but we don't pull the trigger so quickly to just turn things off if historically something's done well for at least 48 to 72 hours. So we keep looking at things over a 2 to 3 day period. And if we notice that there's a 3-day stretch where it's dead, turn it off, right? So we just keep going through this process over and over and over until it gets to the point where it's consistent, and it just continues to go that way so that we don't have any issues. And then naturally we would hope that it stays at that high level spend, that the client is still seeing a profitability number that makes them happy.